Hello friends! Today we are going to learn about photosynthesis process. Photosynthesis is Greek word. The word photo comes from the Greek word photo, which means light, and the word synthesis comes from the Greek word synthesis, which means putting together, or to combine. So, photosynthesis word means putting together with light. Plants, algae, and some bacteria use photosynthesis to convert sunlight into chemical energy. This process occurs in structures called chloroplasts. 3 key ingredients are required. 1. Sunlight. 2. Water and minerals absorbed from the soil. 3. Carbon dioxide from the air. Describing the vital process where plants use sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to create their food, sugars, and release oxygen, forming the basis of most life on Earth. In the thylakoid membranes, sunlight splits water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen. The oxygen is released into the atmosphere. Meanwhile, ATP and NADPH are produced to store energy. In the stroma, ATP, NADPH, and carbon dioxide combine to form glucose, the plant's food and energy source. The overall result: plants produce glucose for energy and release oxygen, supporting most life on Earth. Photosynthesis fuels ecosystems and maintains our atmosphere. Summary: photosynthesis is the process by which green plants, algae, and some bacteria convert light energy, usually from the sun, into chemical energy stored in glucose, a sugar. It's one of the most important biological processes on Earth because it produces both oxygen and food energy for nearly all living organisms. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe my channel.